Hey Sugar Boogers, what's up? What is up with y'all? Okay, I started working today already. It is 11:08 and I'm hungry, y'all. So I decided to stop at Wendy's. I'm just waiting for my hot fries to come up. You know, I like hot fries. So, I will be back, my Sugar Boogers. I will be back. My Sugar Boogers. I got my Wendy's and I got the it's called the biggie bag. That's what I got from Wendy's, the biggie bag. Get that over with. So in this biggie bag for $5, y'all, $5, my Sugar Boogers. You get nuggets. You get nuggets, fries, and a burger, and a drink. That's so simple. That's how you be when you buy yourself. You simple. You know what I'm hungry, y'all. Yes, I am. So, I definitely need some salt up on them. So, you know I gotta do the, put my soul in there. Don't y'all say nothing, look at me. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I need one of them, what's his name? Eat Relax. He be having a table up about here, right here, a table. What is that? When can I get me one? I want one. I'm always in the car. I need one. Eat Relax. I watch them too. Yes, I do. I watch all of y'all. What else is there to do in between rides, huh? What else is there to do? You watch YouTube. I like my fries brown like that, y'all. Comment below if you like brown fries, like extra done fries. I do. Drink. I got a Coke. I got a Coke. Yes. And I got some honey mustard to try with the nuggets. Let me see what kind of, I don't even know what kind of burger this is. I'm gonna put the fries down right there. Let's see what kind of burger. Let's see what kind of burger this is. Okay. It has, boy does it have an onion on it. Boy does it has an onion. Pickles. Ketchup. They got some bacon on there, cheese on there, and then fix this onion up though on there though. Put it on there, so I'm giving a ride. They gonna smell onions. Well, alright, I'm about to take this bite. You know I gotta come up on y'all. So I guess it's a double bacon cheeseburger with pickles and onions because it would have been nice to have some. I should have said Legend Smith on it too, but I didn't know. This is what you get in the biggie bag. Biggie bag. Biggie bag. So, also comment below if y'all, sometimes when y'all go to fast food and y'all do surveys, y'all get free sandwiches. Every time they give me a receipt, or somebody give me a receipt, like even McDonald's, I think, Do a survey, whatever. But I think I did it one time with McDonald's, but I never did it with anywhere else. So once you give me, I'm gonna do this. Get my little validation code and get me a free sandwich. It's a survey. And when I get that free sandwich, y'all, I'm gonna come share it with y'all. All right? I'm gonna do that survey. Watch me. Get me a sandwich. Huh? I don't remember last time I tried Wendy's, but honey mustard. I'm about to try it now. You know everything fresh because it's early and they just opened not long ago. So it's hot. It's hot and fresh. So y'all, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for becoming the Sugar Worker. And I hope you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget, hit the notification bell too, so you can be notified when I do another video. Woo! That's hot. I'm gonna try the other sauce. Where is it? I gotta find it, y'all. It's right here. Sriracha. I'm gonna try that. Dip that. That's good. Do the fries. Head on my back, y'all. Head on my back. Like that. Is that good? Don't forget about the burger. God, no, I'm hungry. I wonder where I'm gonna end up today. Yesterday, I was at my teeth, y'all. I ended up in Virginia. What should I eat for dinner? What's dinner? I ain't eat no seafood. I had enough for right now, y'all. At least I think so. Oh. Alright, let me get my honey mustard. One more nugget, y'all. I got all these fries. Yes, you see me, y'all. Smash it. Look at me, look at me. I'm quiet, y'all. Honey mustard. It's nice outside today. But it's hot. It's 95. 95 degrees outside. I hope the sound of the air conditioner not on, y'all. Last time I forgot about that. I did. It was all loud. Oh man. Last bite. Look at it. Look at it. Last bite. That's good. It is. I forgot about that. One more. I'm trying to think of his name. Jerry ASMR. I watch him. Now, he sure know he can tear up some fast food. Y'all go check him out, Jerry ASMR. I'm gonna leave his description there. I'm gonna leave his info in the description box. Go check him out, cause he be tearing up some fast food. Fries and his flurries. I'll be watching. So everything gone, y'all. So I got these fries left. Y'all know y'all be having fries left. You ain't got nothing left. Dry fries left. And yes, I'm full. Yup. I did good today, y'all. I feel like I'm yelling. I just feel like I'm yelling. I dip these fries. Yeah, dip them in there. Dip them. Dip them. A few more. Dip them. I'm gone, y'all. Go. I'm trying to finish for y'all today. I'm showing off. Look up. Showing off, y'all. I ate my whole biggie bag. Five. Last little fire. Yeah. Everything gone, y'all. Everything gone. Woo! Everything gone. gotta do that. Like, excuse me. Y'all know, you been eating that food, yeah, wash down. Alright, my sugar woogers. Don't forget. Excuse me. Woo! Subscribe, and thumbs up the video. Comment below. What should I eat for dinner? You know what? Mason been saying he wants some spaghetti, so it might be that. I told him I would get him some spaghetti today. So we probably not get it, but we're gonna make some spaghetti. Get that baby some spaghetti. Anyway, so my sugar woogers, I will leave y'all with a nice hug. And I shook y'all. I will see y'all on my next